Hello there people, this is Christian. Welcome back to Fusion 460 and an empty workspace with nothing in it. We're gonna have a look at 3D sketching. 3D sketching is the big hype right now, it feels like. I see a lot of questions on different forums about bugs in 3D sketching, how it doesn't work like they want to do it, and they are in most cases correctly, because Fusion does not handle 3D sketching fully out with full definitions and stuff. You still need to be a bit careful. It's really useful for creating 3D splines. Often I do that by connecting points from different 2D sketches and then making a 3D splines and stuff like that. But we're going to just have a look at an example here. We're going to sketch here. We're going to create by starting a polygon. The thing I'm doing here, I'm starting to create a normal icosahedron, one of the shapes I like to do, which I have a totally different workflow. We're going to start with the pentagon. We're going to also give the dimension, of course. We're going to do this side. It's going to be 50. Going to check our sketch is now fully defined. Everything's working. Thank you. And we're going to now turn on 3D sketching and now start sketching the faces using 3D sketching, which is a popular version. There are a couple of videos on YouTube showing you this, on how you can make the icosahedron. It's super simple using 3D sketching. It just takes a long time sketching all the edges. So we're gonna do the top here. I'm not doing icosahedron now. I do that in another video. I already have videos on how I do icosahedron. I have updated that workflow, of course, to some other stuff, making it easier for me to remember how to do things like that. So now we have that. We are done with triangles. Icosahedron has equilateral triangle faces, so we can tell Fusion that this edge here and basically any of the edges up here are equal. We already have a horizontal vertical constraint here that locks that down, so we have a fully defined sketch in our mind, but Fusion doesn't see this as fully defined sketch. So what is the problem? Well, I'm going to go back and look from the top. We got that horizontal direction, that's good. Here is our horizontal vertical saying locking down the pentagon. And the problem is with Fusion that it has basically now at least two legitimate solutions to this. As you know, you can drag around sketch geometry, so see it, we can, oh yeah, we can flip it. Oh, well, that's the first solution. There are a couple of different solutions to this suddenly. As you can see, now I have a broken sketch, because Fusion has lost the pentagon that should be fixed to this. I'm going to turn my replay. The pentagon is supposed to be fixed to this plane, and there are workarounds adding even more geometry to locking down the pentagon so that it stays in these planes. I think you should be able to do that, but I like to sketch easy, so there is a small danger with this sketch where you can by mistake first of all flip it, or you can find a solution somewhere in the middle, like this flat strange thing here. This confirms to all the rules of the constraints I have. So this is one reason I normally avoid 3D sketching, because it can put you in some strange places. So this might work now, but if you change the dimensions or add some other strange things, things can go flying around on the screen. That's my personal opinion. You can do whatever you want. With that said, take care, see you around, and goodbye.